Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing crispy aloo french fries, crunchy outside, soft inside and perfectly spiced. An easy homemade snack everyone will love. Let's start the recipe. Grate 2 boiled potatoes into a bowl. Potatoes must be completely cool before grating. Add half teaspoon salt, 2 finely chopped green chilies, half teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. These fries are made without maida. Take half cup poha and blend it into a fine powder. Add the prepared poha powder and mix again. Poha acts as a natural binding agent. Keep the mixture aside for 10 minutes. Resting the mixture improves texture. Now add 2 tablespoons water and knead well to form a soft dough. Take some mixture and roll it into long strips. Cut as shown and roll lightly to shape the fries. Shape evenly for uniform frying. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for crispiness. Homemade fries absorb less oil. Poha is light and easy to digest. Homemade snack use fresh oil. No preservative or artificial colors. Remove and drain excess oil. Enjoy in moderation for a balanced diet. Your crispy aloo french fries are golden, crunchy and delicious. Serve them hot with ketchup or dip. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more crispy snack recipes.